Now the F-150 Limited will have the active park assist system, and it's actually super easy to use. So it can help us out with parallel and perpendicular parking. So we've got both options there, and it's really straightforward. We've got a little P button just right above the Sync 4 media screen. We're just going to press that button, and when we do, we've got two available choices. So we can either navigate to parking, we've got our park assist, or we've got some additional settings, but we really just want to go to that park assist, and we've got three different options that are available there. So the vehicle can help us out with parallel parking, perpendicular parking, and then a parallel park out. It's always going to default looking on the right-hand side as well. So we could use the blinker in order to look on the right versus the left-hand side, just depending on what's available, which side of the street you're driving down, etc. So on this one, we're just going to do a quick parallel park so I can show you how simple it is. Literally all you're going to do, follow the directions on the screen. So we're just going to drive forward. Okay, perfect. So found it, and we've got a spot. So now what we have to do is release the steering wheel. We're going to drop down and we're going to shift into neutral. And when we do that, we just have to release the brake, and then we're just going to hit the P button on that screen, and we're literally just going to press and hold it. So kind of watch as this thing kind of does its thing. So it's backing up. As you can see there, kind of taking over the steering wheel for us as well. This is nice. Ooh, that is tight. Tight, but I mean, technically, it's not wrong here. This is kind of cool. And 3, 2, and stop. There we go. So it literally is that simple using the parallel park system inside of the F-150. All right, now using the perpendicular parking is literally the exact same process. So what we're gonna do is, first and foremost, we're gonna press the little P button along the very top there again. When we do that, we just hit the active park assist, and we're just going to go to the perpendicular parking, and same idea. It's going to default looking to the right side, but we've also got the flexibility of hitting that left turn stick in order for it to default and look to the left side instead. And then we literally just follow the directions on the screen. So I'm going to start driving forward. Perfect. Found a spot. So all we have to do, very similar, we're just going to toss the vehicle into neutral. So boom. Oh, so if I go into neutral, not into park? Nah. All right, so we're in neutral. Once we're in neutral, all it's saying is that we have to just release the brake, and we're just going to press the little P button up there again. So I'm just going to switch hands to show you from my point of view this time what's going on. Reversing. You can see on the screen there, the truck is reversing there as well. A little countdown timer along the top left. It's going to let us know exactly what's going on with the countdown for the next step and things like that. Oh, you're getting close. That got very, very close for comfort. Okay, smart though. And back it goes, and this is perfect, like literally perfectly getting us in this spot. Now, this is obviously the 5.5 foot box, so it isn't quite as difficult as what we'd see inside of some of the other versions of the vehicle, like the 6.5 or the 8 foot box. But I mean, if you're not a big fan of parking trucks, having the ability to use a park assist system is absolutely beautiful. Like, look at this, fully taken over the wheel. It's done everything, finished it up, really that simple.